If you are looking for the best camping gear and gadgets, you must see this list. We reviewed literally dozens of products, and we made this list on a number of factors including the features of the product, value for the money, and the reputation of the manufacturer. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. We even read countless reviews from actual users. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you'll buy one of the best products available today. Now let's get started.
Ten.
Here's a quick guide on how to use your Coleman Classic propane stove. Always place the stove on a sturdy, flat surface. Open the lid and position the wind guards as desired. Make sure the pot support, which is the metal grate, is in place and both knobs are in the off position. Take the regulator and screw it into the stove until it is hand tight. Remove the plastic cap from the top of the propane bottle and screw the propane bottle into the regulator until it is hand tight. Make sure the propane bottle is tilted with the top facing up. Hold a lighted match or butane lighter near the burner and turn the knob so that the burner is on. Adjust the knob until the flame is blue with a hint of yellow on the tips. Repeat the previous steps to light the second burner. When finished, turn all burner control knobs to off. Remove the propane bottle and regulator. Once everything cools, clean the stove, place the gold end of the regulator into the hole provided for secure storage, fold the wind guards, and store away.
This is the award-winning LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. It can go here, every day and on your favorite adventures. Really, ultra lightweight and portable. You can drink water from here, practically anywhere. And it's been trusted by outdoor experts, survivalists, and emergency response workers since we started. Drinking water straight from these sources sound risky? It's not. With this technology, water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that removes bacteria, parasites, microplastics, sand, silt, and sediment. The membrane microfilter lasts up to 1,000 gallons. Your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe. Pack a LifeStraw.
My Little's LED finger flashlight gloves may come in handy when you need a flashlight in the dark, but need to use both hands for the task, such as working with cables or cars, or even for fishing. Each glove contains 2 LED lights, which allow you to point out whatever you are working on at the moment. It is made out of cotton, which is breathable and stretchy, and it contains a Velcro to easily adjust the glove to your wrist, allowing it to fit most hand sizes. It is easy to use since there is an on-off switch and you don't require to hold a flashlight. The product already includes a screwdriver and a battery that lasts for 30 hours and can be replaced.